Today, we will be talking about the drug diazepam and how it is used to manage alcohol withdrawal symptoms. Diazepam is a benzodiazepine commonly used to treat anxiety, muscle spasms, and seizures. However, today we will be focusing on how the drug is used to treat alcohol withdrawal. A few common brand names for diazepam are Valium and Diastat. Diazepam is absorbed well when taken orally and reaches peak plasma concentrations after about 1 hour. While the drug can be injected and this results in faster absorption of the drug, diazepam is most commonly taken orally. Diazepam is the preferred benzodiazepine for treating alcohol withdrawal, primarily because it is a long-acting agent. Diazepam is metabolized into nordiazepam. And this is an active metabolite, so the half-life of diazepam is approximately 60 hours.
Alcoholism is characterized by impaired control over drinking, preoccupation with the drug alcohol, use of alcohol despite adverse consequences, and distortions in thinking, most notably denial. Alcohol use disorders are associated with depressive episodes, severe anxiety, insomnia, suicide, and the abuse of other drugs.
This doctor highlights the prevalence of alcoholism, how alcohol withdrawal symptoms are treated, and has developed an app in order to diagnose whether someone is experiencing alcohol withdrawal.
These kinds of problems, social problems, alcohol-related problems, they don't tend to be at the top of the medical problem list when people think about common problems, but these are very, very prevalent problems in society. They're common, they cut across all social strata, and I really think it's important that people start to address this and try and find a better way to manage these issues and help folks out. The tremor is the most common way of evaluating alcohol withdrawal.
To highlight the seriousness of alcohol withdrawal, here is a man experiencing alcohol withdrawal and having a seizure. This is why it is important to treat alcohol withdrawal with Valium, which is a long-acting agent essentially replacing alcohol or ethanol at the GABA A receptors. While it may seem counterintuitive to replace ethanol with diazepam, which has potential for abuse, the short duration of the action of alcohol and its narrow range of safety make it an extremely dangerous drug from which to withdraw. Diazepam is a long-acting agent which makes the withdrawal process safer by reducing the chance of a seizure. Diazepam works by binding to the same receptors, GABA receptors, that ethanol would bind to. The drug works as a GABA agonist, so it enhances the effects of GABA. The behaviorally rewarding effects of diazepam and diazepam's ability to manage withdrawal symptoms result from actions on these GABA receptors. These receptors modulate the discharge of neurons located in the ventral tegmentum and the nucleus accumbens. Some of the side effects of diazepam include impairments in cognition, memory, attention, reaction time, and psychomotor functioning. Lastly, the major concern when it comes to diazepam is its potential for abuse. When taken for a prolonged period of time, dependence may occur, and this usually occurs in approximately 10% of users. Once again, while this drug does have potential for abuse, it is extremely effective in managing alcohol withdrawal symptoms and making alcohol withdrawal safer.